Hey guys, this is Dan Dunham. Thanks for tuning in. So normally this is strictly a how-to type channel, but for this video I'm actually going to be complaining about a product that's giving me problems, specifically because I think it's probably designed improperly, or they are using maybe improper materials or something to build it with. So the product I'm talking about is the Kitchenaid dishwasher KDTM354DSS4. That particular model, and it may be in many other models out there as well, has a problem with the slide rails that, well, actually the plates that attach the upper basket to the slide rails. The slide rails work great, however those plates seem to fatigue and wear out after several years. I got 3 years out of mine. I tried to fix with the original plates using some stainless steel bolts and washers. It did not work because they continued to deteriorate over time and they just kept falling apart. Okay, so I think really the biggest problem is that there's a lot of heat and moisture involved with the dishwasher, obviously, when it's running hot. And over time they just can't handle that type of an environment. The other plastic parts seem to be fine in the washer. It's just those side plates that seem to have the problem because they're bearing so much weight, and the design is maybe a little off. So at any rate, what I'm going to do is kind of go through a few pictures with you here. And the first fix I did, like I said, was with bolts. So at that point I called Kitchenaid up to see if I could get replacement parts under warranty. It was not covered under warranty, and they didn't seem to be too interested in any complaints I might have. So at that point I decided, you know what, I'm not going to spend money on the Whirlpool parts or whoever makes them. I decided to go with some Chinese parts from Amazon. They lasted about a month, but interestingly they failed in exactly the same way. So my suspicion is that the design of the parts was partly at fault, but also the materials used for those parts just don't hold up to that high pressure environment. So the rest of this video is really going to be about how I fixed it with some stainless steel plating and stainless steel hardware to get those plates replaced and replaced out with some stainless steel parts, which so far have been working fantastic. It's no longer adjustable, but that's okay because I typically would use it in one adjustment setting anyways, and I bet most people are that way as well. So the adjustment portion of it really doesn't bother me. So take a look, and see how I fixed it. There's probably other good ideas out there as well, but this is what I did to keep this washer up and running. Thanks for watching.